Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oukitel C15 Pro to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, click on Send on Oukitel and Receive on an Android, and then tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take a while though, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send, and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the QR code. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. You can always check it out by going into, for example, App, My Files, and choosing, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!